Nagaland pickleball sports to notun ase aro bishi manu najanina thakibo pare huilebi jwa sal nisna he na pickleball sports to Nagaland introduce kurigna aha homoy ekta bal cover to hele for the first time Kolkata Open Championship te Nagaland Pickleball Association kan participate kurigna atta gold aro tinta silver jitigna Nagaland laga nam ucha kurigna tagan wapas aise tagan itu achievement aporte aji Nagaland Pickleball Association kanbra players aro gold medalists kan ke appreciate kurigna aji tagan ke felicitation program takiula se IB itula program details sailobo.
I believe pickleball, the association is hardly 1 year old in Nagaland. And it has come so far. We have participated in the national tournament, and it is so impressive that you have won 8 gold medals and 3 silver medals. It is very impressive, and given the data that I have been provided through Abu, you have played against a number of impressive competitors, and you participated in so many games, and yet you prevailed. I think it speaks volume of your dedication and your spirit to compete. We are so impressed with the Nagas of our youth and youth of our Nagas today. And it is also thanks to our parents that we are becoming broad-minded in how our children behave, in what fields they want to excel. No more of that one-track-minded parenthood, but we should thank the parents, and our players and our youth also should thank their parents in being more broad-minded in their approach to your upbringing. And it's showing results that an educated parent shows the way to where our children leads. I mean, when we grew up, we had only one path, and our parents used to tell us which path we should take. That is not there, so we should really thank the parents for having given you the opportunity to learn, to play, and to achieve this success. Pickleball, I believe, is just confined to Dimapur and Kohima at the moment. I'm sure with your impressive participation, it'll spread to all Nagaland, and kindly ensure that you spread this game to the whole state. Because Nagas in particular, we try to involve in all the sports, but we should take into account our physique, our aptitude towards sports, and don't play against something that is not suited to our physique and aptitude. But I believe this one, without government support, just on your own, you have formed a club, an association, and you are doing so well. I think you should show to others that without government support, without people supporting you, without the encouragement, without financial support from outside, Naga youth can do something about it. And this is an example that I'm so proud of, and I've come here to congratulate you today.
My name is Lentina, and by profession, I'm a tourist officer in the Department of Tourism, Government of Nagaland. And in my free time, I like to play pickleball. So I took up this sport about 10 months ago to stay active and enjoy myself. No plans for tournaments back then. But slowly it grew on me, and I wanted to do better. So this brought me to the Kolkata Open, my first tournament outside of Nagaland. It was a last-minute decision, encouraged by my fellow players, and I'm really glad I went. For most of us, it was our first experience playing outside the state. So we entered with no expectations, only enthusiasm, curiosity, and a willingness to learn. We played about 6 to 10 matches or more in a single day, adapting to a new environment, unfamiliar opponents, and competitive pressure. So with no formal coaching and limited exposure, stepping on those courts was both exciting and intimidating. And also watching other players perform with such confidence and skill, it really inspired all of us to do better. Also, the female participation in Nagaland is a little limited as of now, but it's growing slowly, and we hope our women's teams will also soon match the men's achievements. I participated in 3 categories and I was fortunate to win gold in 2 of them. So more than the medals, what mattered most was the experience, the teamwork, and the pure joy of playing the game. I'd like to thank my doubles partners, Ilona, David, and Charles, for making every game fun and memorable for me. Overall, this tournament gave us valuable exposure and the proud honor to represent our state. Heartfelt thanks to Nagaland Pickleball Association for building this vibrant community and giving us this wonderful platform. And to Sir Abu and Brother Kuchi, thank you for your unwavering support and encouragement. Let us continue to support each other and nurture the growth of pickleball across Nagaland.
আমি সদায় গৈ থাকে গেদাৰিং স্পৰ্টছ লগা কি ইভেণ্ট ফেলিচিটেশ্যন হবি টুৰ্ণামেণ্ট হবি চেম্পিয়নশ্বিপ প্ৰগ্ৰাম কি দি গৈ থাকে আমি কেতিয়া স্পৰ্টছ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট টেক অভাৰ কৰি কিনে 3 years কমপ্লিট আহি আছে এইটো টাইমতে মই কি একটা লেসন লাৰ্ণ কৰা এইটো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ বি মন আছে টেকিং দিছ এডভান্টেজ আমাখান নাগা মানুহ লগা ভাৱনা আৰু ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট আৰু মিনিষ্ট্ৰী লগা ভাৱনা কি আছে এইটো মাজতে মই একটা কথা ক'বলৈ মন যাতো আমাখানতো গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট লগতে ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট লগতে মিনিষ্ট্ৰী লগতে প্লেনলি ইনফ্ৰাষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ বেছি মাঙি থাকে আমাখানকে ইদু দিবি আমাখানকে ইদু বনাই দিবি কৈ কিনা সদায় এপ্লিকেশ্যন ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট দি আহে ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট পৰা ব্ৰাউৰিডাছ বনাই কিনা মিনিষ্ট্ৰী দি পঠায় হ'লেবি মিনিষ্ট্ৰী আৰু ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট লগা পলিচিটো এইটো নহয় আগে আমাখান পৰা আমাখান লা টাইলেণ্ডটো এক্সপ'জ কৰি কিনা নেশ্যনেল লেভেল দি ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল লেভেল দি championship দেখাব লাগে then after ministry will provide us everything নহলে তো আগে বৰা মাঙি থাকা তো হলে একো ভাবলেবি নহয় in every discipline নাকা মানুহটো কি দি ডিসিপ্লিন কি গেমস দি ভাল আছে আমাখান আসলটো আমাখান তো বাই বার্থ or by nature আমাখান কি potential আছে ho আমাখান নি অলপ ট্রাই কৰিলে তো স্পোর্টস দি তো ইন্ডিয়া দি আমাখান বি আগে যাবলে হাই চান্স আছে বলে আমাখান হি ইদু সিরিয়াসনেস একটা না লয় স্পোর্টস তো লে আমাখান খ্রিস্টানিটি নাহাদেম দি আৰু গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট বি নাহাদাইম ব্ৰাহি আমাখান লাগা ফৰভাৰ্ডাৰ্ছ খান তো স্পোর্টস এতিয়া লাগা মডাৰ্ণ ৰিলেটেড গেমছ খেলি কেনে অহা আছে তো ফিচিং কান হাণ্টিং কান ডান্সিং কান ৰেচলিং এইটো সবটো স্পোর্টস ৰিলেটেড গেমছ থাকিছে তো আমাখান তো খুন ব্ৰাহি আমাখান নাগা মানুহ তো স্পোর্টস আমাখান লগতে বাই ব্লাড ব্ৰা আছে তো পটেনশিয়েল আছে তো আৰু ফিজিক্যাল বি আমাখান তো স্পোর্টস লাগা ফিজিক্যাল আছে তো আমাখান অলপ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট দিলে তো through your sacrifice state di infrastructure tangor bi anibodo aro idu department bi idu advantage luyena ministry ge amakhan ge idu laga facility dibi idu laga discipline di amakhan age jay ase to boy labra state di department look after gurigena aha games pishi ase to হলে আজি বিকল বল দলে ইভেন লাস্ট ইয়ার হি এস্টাবলিশ কৰিছে মানুহটো বইলা পৰা ৰিকগনাইজ কৰি কেনা খেলি আছে আমাখান নাগালেণ্ড লাস্ট ইয়ার হি শুরু হৈছে হলে বি সাবিনা ইমান ফাস্ট গ্রো কৰাটো ইমান মেডেল বাদো সারপ্রাইজ আছে তো এনকারেজ কৰি আছে লাস্ট দি প্ৰেক্টিস কৰা লগা ৰিকগনাইজ কৰা লগা গেমছ ডিসিপ্লিন বৰা হলে বি ষ্টেট লগা নাম আনিবিনা আৰু ইটো কি এডভান্টেজ লৈ কেনে একদিন তো আমাখান নেশ্যন লাগা কাউন্ট্রি লাগা নাম বি লৈ কেনে ইন্টারন্যাশনাল টুর্নামেন্ট দিবি যাব তো এনেকা হইলে তো আপোনাৰ লাগা স্যাক্রিফাইস ডেডিকেশন ওপৰ দি আমাখান লা ষ্টেট বি ডাঙৰ হ'ব আৰু খুশি পাব নাম উজ্জ্বল কৰিব এইটো কাৰণে এতিয়া Pickleball Association Nagaland আৰু players closely monitor kuri kena ekdom etia para bi bal wala chaile bishi bal hobo koi kena iti bi moi encouragement kura ase. And now I would also like to congratulate Mr. Vilasir Khade for being awarded player of the tournament. Such recognition proves that athletes from Nagaland can stand out on larger platforms when given right opportunities. I sincerely appreciate the Nagaland Pickleball Association for its efforts in promoting the sport and supporting players to participate in recognized tournaments outside the state. I am delighted to share that the Nagaland Pickleball Association is affiliated with the Indian Pickleball Association, the official governing body of the sport in India. This affiliation connects our players to the national structure, including recognized tournaments, rankings, and development opportunities.
Pickleball has not even been a year since its introduction to Nagaland, and yet players from Nagaland are winning medals and trophies at the national level. We are deeply thankful to the NPA for all the support and encouragement, not just during the recent tournament, but right from the inception of pickleball in the state. It was an honor and privilege to represent Nagaland and a huge experience for all of us. A special thank you to Sarabu Mehta for taking care of our logistics and stay in Kolkata, and also to Brother Kuchi and Mikato for sponsoring the team kids. Not forgetting Sonia for the delicious meals and warm hospitality that made us feel at home. Nagaland has already set the bar very high, and now the challenge is to remain consistent. Let us continue to encourage the growth of pickleball, especially at the grassroots level, and join hands to take Nagaland pickleball to the world stage.
Earlier speakers have also said that pickleball in Nagaland is pretty new, pretty young. And in this short span of about just 12 months, we've been doing very well. I congratulate the Nagaland Pickleball Association for its relentless efforts in promoting the game. It takes effort, it takes somebody to be working behind the scenes for one day that flower to blossom and to pluck the fruit and stand on the podium and win medals. They've been working very hard, quietly, silently. Tournaments have been organized locally and regionally. We then followed it up with playing with Assam, which was considered the superpower of pickleball in the Northeast. But our players proved that we are the best in the Northeast. We needed to understand by playing these national level players from our neighboring state where we stood, how good we are, and where we stand. And it also gave us the confidence and the courage to step beyond our borders and to take on the best. The Kolkata Open tournament was amongst the best and highest standard of pickleball in the country. India's best players were there. In the 30-plus tournament, Vilasir faced off India's #1 player. Perhaps he's played 20, 30 tournaments already, even played abroad, and he just lost by a couple of points. In the professional section, he beat players who've been at it for the last several years. Our doubles team in advance beat players who have been playing the circuit for years and years. Similarly, all the other winners beat players who've been competing at the national level for quite some time. But for us, it was a first time stepping out into a zone that was not comfortable for us, and we came out with flying colors. I am saying this to emphasize the fact that we have tremendous talent.
I would like to just give a short highlight of our team. Like I said, we suddenly went to Kolkata, especially my friend Ringo and I, we decided to join the team in the later stage, but we were blessed enough to lead them in a way, being the older brothers, and we were very surprised and happy to see the change, you know. During our times in the age of our early 30s, we were very naughty. We don't listen to our older brothers, or even if we go for any kind of trips, you know, be it sports or whatever, be it even study trips, we always end up doing naughty business. But this time the change that I saw was that everyone was very disciplined, everyone was very caring for one another. So we as Nagas, you know, everyone was looking at us and they were very impressed just to see the unity in us. So I think we Nagas are specially knitted and bonded by our natural self, by the blessings of God. So we have to, I think, keep these blessings and continue to show the world what we are. So like I said, everyone was very well disciplined. There was nothing much to worry about. Everyone kept their timings. And like I said, we were a very good example to 22 plus of us went, including the media team and, you know, the support team, whatever. Around 20, 30 of us would have been there. But what people said behind was that, you know, they were very shocked in a way, impressed to see the unity amongst us Nagas. So I think we have to keep this tradition, this blessing, wherever we go. So kudos to our young boys and girls especially, who went this time, and I'm sure more will join the next trip that we go. And yeah, we pray that many more blessings will be upon our people.
Do you really know what you're eating? Not all eggs are the same. Choose Junaki eggs you can trust. At Junaki, quality begins at the source. Fresh, safe, and perfect for your family.
Every Junaki egg is lab tested for safety and problem harmful bacteria.
Bring home the nutrition your family truly deserves.